make sure that you like this video and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you can see more hot videos like this. All right, so the Graceful PM. Wonderful bag, I love it. However, one thing about the purse is that the strap is kind of small. If you look at other reviews or just comments, you'll see where people have complained about straps not long enough. And let me show you. So this is the purse, and you can kind of see, oh, by the way, y'all, I got my tag hot stamp. Can y'all see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yep, nice. Ooh, focus, focus, focus. There you go. D. I'm D. But anyway, so yeah, it's very, like, it makes the bag sit right under your arms. And everybody does not like that. And that was one thing I was iffy about, was I don't have, like, I know I'm short, but I need a longer strap. So what I did was I took it upon myself to search around. I went on Etsy and saw that they had straps, the same material. They even have it to where you can match it to, like, if you have a bag that's faded, because most Louis Vuitton bags, the straps will fade, you know, as the bag gets older. But I went on there and I looked for, I think it was light patina, I believe is what I searched. And I came across this strap. I was like, yes. So first of all, I like that it was different. It's braided, like a braided woven type of strap. Has the gold clasp on the end of it. Get close so you guys can see. Love that. And on top of all of that, it's real leather. Like, you can smell it. Like, we know how real, it's so much faux leather going around today, but this is like real leather. Like, it has that smell. Some of the straps had an option when it came to the size of the clasp. However, with this particular one, I don't believe there was an option. I believe it was just this, I think they called it U-shape clasp. I originally saw someone else had used this on what looked like was a Graceful PM purse. I ordered it, took it about a month to get here. This is the Graceful. These are the loops. You see how wide the loops are? They don't look that wide, but they are. And then there was a problem. The strap did not fit on the purse because the loops are too wide. So you see it's on there, but it's not clasped. It's not secured. So who's gonna walk around? First I was like, oh, well, as long as it's on the loop, maybe it'll be okay because it's holding it. It's holding it on there, but no, I'm not about to let you all go out like that. So what did I do? I started calling around to different shoe repair shops, and I asked them, can you all switch out a clasp on a purse strap? And some people, oh, no, 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 no. Then I finally spoke to one company that was like, oh, sure, I'm sure we could swap it out. No, good well he didn't know what I was I could just tell he didn't really know what I was talking about. I'm on the phone with my mom, and my mom's like, clasp. So then my mom hops on Amazon and she's looking for clasp. And they do have these on Amazon. However, my mom's like, why don't you just get a connector? Then a light bulb went on in my head. I'm like, duh, like why didn't I think of that? So my mom starts searching connectors. They're called let me see what they're called. D-ring screws. D-ring screw in shackle horseshoe U, shape D. So this is Amazon. You all can go to Amazon and find them. They have them in a bunch of styles and a bunch of different colors. So I was like, what a coincidence that they're shaped like a D, and y'all know my name is D. So I ordered it. See the little tiny screw? And it's simple. So all I had to do was connect this. You see how I connect it? You just unscrew it. You could, a little bitty Phillips screwdriver like this. Screw it on. Let me screw this one back on. All you have to do, screw it on just like that. I got both of the D links on there. And take this, clamp that on the link. Voila! Now I have a longer strap. Like, isn't that cool? I just thought that was so, I was like, wait a minute. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I did this one wrong over here. I stuck it on a loop. Okay. Yes, and y'all see how it's hanging, and you see the D. So cute. Thanks to my mom, because I was overthinking it. I was doing too much. I was about to have them remove these from the purse, and I mean from the strap, and try to make some other one. Just doing too much, but thank God for a mother. But anyway, y'all see how long it falls now? Now I have to worry about rubbing off my deodorant. Like, it's all the way down there now. And I don't know, I think they had options too with this one. You can order it in all sizes. Like if you have a little handbag and you just want handles, it comes that small too. But I love it though. And if you guys are interested, just drop me a link in the comments and I'll tell you, maybe I'll go find the link and I'll drop the link to the strap, because I'm not getting paid for doing this. But if you all want to know, I'll drop the link and you guys can order for yourself. But other than that, I'm enjoying my Graceful PM. I just wanted to put you all up on game before you buy it, because I understand that it's a turn off to some people, the strap being that small, and some people feel like they're not about to do all of that. Now the strap was about, I think it was like $51.42. So it was just $51. And I feel like it was worth it because it's real leather and it's long enough, you know, it works. So just want to let you guys know that before you go ahead and buy, that there is a solution around the fact that it is a smaller strap. Now also, in the midst of ordering this strap, I fell in love with, I don't know how to pronounce it. Oh my gosh, I forgot how to pronounce it. It starts with a B. It's on the Louis Vuitton website. I believe it's still on there. It's in the stores. Yeah, I believe it's still on the website. But they have a monogram strap like this pattern. And then on the back of it, it's pink. Now the pink does not match the fuchsia that's in the inside of the purse, but it's good enough. It doesn't need to be matchy-matchy. And so that one, it does fit the loops. When you go to the store, they'll try to say, yeah, we have a strap, but I don't think it's gonna fit the Graceful though. They're wrong. It fits the Graceful. And what it is, it's like a crossbody. And so I fell in love. I was like, I think I'm starting to like this strap. But then I didn't get it. I didn't feel like paying. It was like $500 and something. And I felt like I had other things to spend $500 on. And so I went home and I found myself just thinking about the strap, like, oh, that strap was so cute. So that's another option. So, all right, you guys, thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel and showing me love. And you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't already. All right, you guys, see you later.